Hi traders, this is Gomathi Shankar. Happy New Year 2023 to all of you. Let us look at the Banknifty review for first week of January. So the first week of January is really a blessing for option buyers because we got very beautiful trade opportunities. Banknifty was respecting CPR levels perfectly and we were able to make some good money in the first week of this new year itself. So we are having some positive start for this new year and let us hope that this year is going to be profitable for all the traders following CPR indicator. Now let us look at the trade opportunities we got on Monday. On Monday, Banknifty was having a inside CPR. Now what is inside CPR? If the current day CPR is inside previous day's daily CPR, if the current CPR is inside previous CPR, then it is called as an inside CPR. Now whenever there is an inside CPR, we can expect that particular instrument to be trending. Now in that case, every time we will not take a trade in the first few candles. We will not initiate any trade opportunity. We will not take any trade in the first 2-3 candles. But in this fourth bull candle, you can initiate a long position, keeping in mind that that bull candle is completely taking out the first 3 candles. A single bull candle is capable of breaking the 3 candles range and it is coming out of daily CPR. Now in this case, you can go for a long position in this bull candle and you can place your stop loss below daily CPR and your target is going to be this particular zone, R1 and previous day high zone. And your target is done. After that, you are going to exit your trade. Now, can I take a short position at R1 and previous day high zone using reversal trick? Remember, reversal tricks are always risky. Initially, don't focus on reversal trades. Focus on direct trick like taking a long position above CPR, taking a short position below CPR, taking a long position above R1 and previous day high. So focus on direct trick initially and don't focus on risky trades like reversal tricks. You can follow reversal tricks once you have gained some confidence and experience in trading. And of course, you can take a short positions with stop loss above previous day high and again your target is going to be daily CPR. Even this risky trade has given you some good money on Monday. Now even on Tuesday, you can clearly see Banknifty broke R1 and previous day high. Obviously, we will go for a long position with stop loss below R1 and previous day high and our stop loss is hit. After that, as I said earlier, if you are having the confidence, if you are following reversal tricks, you can go for a short below R1 and previous day high with stop loss above R1 and previous day high and you can book your profits at daily CPR. And if you understand the psychology on both Monday and Tuesday, Banknifty is getting reversed from R1 and previous day high levels. Even after 2 p.m. when Banknifty tried to go above R1 and previous day high, still it was not able to break that particular day high. So this 10-15 candle is that particular day high, but that was not broken by Banknifty. So though Banknifty tried to sustain above R1 and previous day high on Tuesday, still it failed because it is below that particular day high. Alright, now let us look at the trade opportunity for Wednesday. Now on Wednesday, once again we are witnessing a clear reversal from R1 and previous day high. Now in this bear candle, you cannot take a short position because already it has reached the daily CPR. Now this is where most of the retail traders are getting confused. Now can I take a short position here below daily CPR? You should not take a short position in this candle because already it has touched S1 and previous day low zones. Now if you look at Monday and Tuesday, the candles are coming out of daily CPR, but still there is some space left to reach the R1 and previous day high zone. Even over here, Banknifty was taking support at daily CPR and there is some space left to reach R1 and previous day high zone. But when it comes to Wednesday, when you are taking a short position below daily CPR, there is no space at all. The candle has already reached the S1 and previous day low zones. So don't take any short position in that particular bear candle. Instead, you can go for a short below S1 and previous day low with stop loss above S1 and previous day low. If your stop loss is high, then you have to reduce your stop loss and place your stop loss above previous day low. Your target is obviously going to be S2, right? So our trade is successful on Wednesday, and even when S2 is broken, once again you can go for a second trade opportunity, and your target is going to be S3, and you are going to enjoy your profits on Wednesday. So Wednesday was a very beautiful opportunity for option buyers. The market was trending. Now Thursday also, similar to Wednesday, Banknifty was coming below daily CPR, and Banknifty was taking resistance at daily CPR. So what you will do, you can take a short position in this bear candle with stop loss above that candle high, and you can look for a scalping till previous day low and S1 zones. Now when previous day low and S1 zone is getting broken here, again you can look for a short opportunity with target of S2 levels, and your target is hit, and your stop loss will be above S1. Being an expiry day, we got a very beautiful trade opportunity, and it was a very easy market to trade for option buyers. Even option sellers would have made some beautiful money because it has fallen directionally. Right now, what are the trade opportunities we got today? Now, similar to yesterday, Banknifty was getting resistance from daily CPR, and it started to come down. You can plan for a short opportunity maybe in this inverted hammer candle for a target of previous day low and S1 level, or you can take a short position below S1 and previous day low with target of S2. Anyways, before S2 itself, you would have exited because Banknifty gave more than 80 points. Banknifty gave in this trade, so you could have exited early as well. So overall, as I said at the beginning of this video, the first week of 2023 is a blessing for option buyers, especially for traders who are following CPR indicator. Now let us look at the trade opportunity for upcoming week. Now as per monthly chart, one point I would like to tell is Banknifty has not yet broken a previous month low. So we no need to worry about crash, or we no need to worry about the bear which is happening now. And as per weekly chart, again another point I would like to add. Now if you check out this particular area, in this area, this is a bear candle. This is a bear candle, and that bear candle low was broken in the next week, and we saw a fall in the next week. And after that, that bear candle low was not broken at all. Now same way, once again, if you look at the current area, we are having a bear candle over here, similar to the previous trend, and that bear candle low was broken and we witnessed a fall. After that, that bear candle low is not yet broken. Until this bear candle low is not broken, Banknifty is not going to fall. So you no need to worry about whether Banknifty is going to crash or not. Maybe if Banknifty breaks that bear candle low, I mean this 19th December bear candle low, because now if you look at this pattern, it looks like a evening star pattern. As per evening star, this bear candle low has to be broken. Only then we can expect a fall. If that bear candle low is broken, then we can expect Banknifty maybe to fall till this particular support level. If that bear candle low is not broken, and if we are seeing some rejections, sometimes what happens, Banknifty will fall till this bear candle low, and you will be seeing a rejection candle. Now a sharp lower wick will be forming, and maybe even you may get a bull candle also, a sharp projection followed by a bull candle. If we are getting these kind of candles, then it will be a good long opportunity. All right, and we can start taking long positions. In that case, what happens? No, that will be looking like a pullback. In that case, it will be looking like a pullback, and we can expect a similar kind of move towards the upside. Now let me draw a line from this particular low till this particular high. If Bank Nifty bounces from that level, then we can expect Bank Nifty to reach 50,000 levels easily. All right, and of course that will take another 2-3 months as well, because this bull rally took from September till December, so it took almost 4 months. So same kind of time duration will be taken by Bank Nifty. If Bank Nifty is bouncing, if Bank Nifty is taking a pullback, and if it is bouncing. If not, we can expect Bank Nifty to fall towards this support level. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this Bank Nifty review. Once again, I wish you all a happy new year 2023. If you have not yet joined my Telegram channel, please join it using the link provided below. Thank you. Bye.